Alright, so today I got this snow blower. The engine runs and everything, but it's got this wheel that's popped off, and it doesn't move forward and backwards when you engage the drive, whatever you want to call it. And they were showing me what was wrong with it. This isn't my snow blower, and there's pieces coming out of here, so I'm assuming there's something down here I'm gonna look at. But before I start digging into this to see what's wrong with the drive, I'm gonna try and get all the wheel back onto the bead. This one looks like it's off as well, or this one's just all dented up. That might be from them trying to get the wheels off. So I'm gonna see if I can get these back on. I have to use this air compressor because we don't have the big one at my house because my brother had to borrow it. So it's gonna be a little more difficult than it needs to be, probably. So let's plug this in, or in this case just hook it up to a battery. Now I'm probably gonna have to get like a rope or something to tie around this to do this, but I'm gonna try and do it without doing that for now. Alright, now that one's on, that went on easier than I expected. Let's rotate it and put this other one on if it will go on, because it does look like the rim is dented in the back. I don't know if you guys can see this. They did dent it because they were trying to hit it with a hammer to get it off. So let's see if we can get this wheel back on, and then we'll lift it up and pull this back cover off and see what's in there. Alright, I might have to take like a mallet to get this one back on fully and try and get that seal back closed. Alright, it looks a little more round. Alright, let's see if it'll sit on there now. There we go, I think it's filling up. There we go. Alright, now they're both on. I'm going to flip this up, and I guess we'll check out the underneath. This flipped up. Looks like I gotta get a couple, or I guess 110 socket. I have to take all this off, it looks like. No, this should just slide down after I pull this off. So let's see what this drive, whatever it looks like. And also there's a plastic piece right here that flew out of here as well. I don't know what that is, but might have something to do with the thing. Let's see what we're dealing with. How does this come off? This, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it slides up, which, oh, it is designed to just slide up, but terribly designed, if I might add. There's all those plastic pieces. I'm gonna, is this supposed to be a gear? I mean, obviously something broke. I don't know what this is supposed to look like, so I might have to get, oh, here's a key that held something in place somewhere. I'm assuming somewhere along here, maybe? This doesn't spin because, why? So this will spin, but this is no longer spinning the wheels. I don't know what all this stuff is. I wonder if there's a key that's supposed to be in here. This. That might have gotten knocked loose while he was smacking these with a hammer. So they both spin. They just don't spin like this. So I wonder where this key would go. What? I don't know what any of this has to do with anything. This would engage like this. Which, okay, lifts this up to this, which engages the wheels. So what's broke? I'm not sure what, this is a belt. This is a pretty interesting design. Like, it's crazy. But what's not letting the wheels spin? Alright, well, I'm not sure entirely what all those broken pieces are, because I don't see anything that's like broke. But this has to have had a key in it, which fell out, and I have. So I think I'm gonna have to remove the wheels to figure out where it goes, because I'm assuming it will somehow line up in here. Because otherwise, when this spins, these should spin. And they're just not lined up. So I'm gonna remove the wheels. So I'm assuming these are gonna have to slide. Just slides right out. I'm gonna have to remove like all of this. Let's see. That's where the key goes right there. If I can slide this over and get this key back in place for this to work. Now the key is in. Let's get this wheel back on. That's good. Put this on. Let's get it all the way on first, yeah. All the way on. I'll tighten it down. But yeah, now you see how everything's fixed. But now, flip it over and test it out, shall we? You guys ready to go for a ride? I'm gonna stand here and catch you if you fall, because I don't know if I trust this. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, yep. I'm gonna grab this before it does fall. Alright, we'll choke it, prime it a bunch, assuming there's fuel in it because they weren't able to use it last time. Full of fuel. The drive, was I doing the wrong one? Other than it running rough, I fixed what they wanted to get fixed. I'll probably see if they want me to fix that, because that does not run very well at all. But other than that, that's fixed. I just don't know what all those broken pieces were. That's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys want to see more, subscribe and check out this video right here because you might not have seen it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.